diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in late 2010. I've experienced facial paralysis. I've experienced almost complete blindness in my right eye. I experienced fatigue, heavy fatigue, depression, spasticity, and muscle spasms that are uncontrollable. I couldn't take the pharmaceuticals. I was having severe allergic reactions. MS is debilitating. It ruins the quality of life.
My mom was on hospice for 21 months and died of cancer. And by the time I was at the end with my mom, there was really nothing that you could do to touch the pain.
Back in October, my wife was diagnosed with cancer. After she gave birth to our daughter, she had some more tests done, and it turned out that the cancer had progressed into her lymphatic system.
I'm a part owner in Butler Evergreen, as well as my two brothers and my father. We all have the passion to try to help people that are suffering from disease. We have cancer in our family, right now with my mother-in-law. They're both suffering from cancer, and they may have a real need for these medicines that aren't available yet.
We are creating an absolutely state-of-the-art facility that is patient-forward and focused on being the best producer of marijuana-based medicines here in New York State.
The program, the way it's written, is one of the most stringent laws in the country. The great thing about it is it is focused on the patients, and that's what my focus is too.
Every decision we make, how does it affect the patients? In the end, how will this be of benefit to our patients?
We bring a great team with expertise to the table as well.
My role will be to work with these clinicians, nurses, and patients to find out what are their most important, most debilitating symptoms, and what type of cannabis, what formulation is best for their specific disease, their specific side effect, their specific toxicity.
So much of what they'll be doing here in the growing of medical marijuana, they're already doing in their other businesses. They are doing secure farming. They have so many of these elements in place already.
The most important thing is to develop a product that is of the highest quality and that is a consistent product. The people here at Butler Evergreen have that expertise.
A company like that would be the company that I would want to be in charge of producing the medicine that I would ingest.
Medical marijuana, safe and secure. That's our focus. Safe so that it's a consistent medicine, secure that it stays out of the wrong hands.
Security, biosecurity, transportation, controlled environment agriculture.
It's going to be in an absolute secure facility, that it is not going to be in a smokable format, that it's only going to be in a pill or an oil formula.
We're not bringing in foreign items, we're not using chemicals or harsh processes and procedures. We're producing an all-natural biomedical products.
You end up with a medicine that is packaged just like something you'd get in your pharmacy. It's highly controlled with quality assurance procedures to make sure that it's safe.
It's extremely important to provide a consistent and high quality medical product for these patients.
I would have access as a patient to quality, high-grade medicine that would be probably particularly tailored for someone with my ailment.
We have great support from the local community, from the village to the town to the county. They've all been very supportive.
One thing that was very important for me as a local official and lending support to this project was the fact that the Marshall family was behind this project.
We've been a local business in this community for a long time, focusing on central and western New York, because those are the areas that we know.
We're offering good, high-paying jobs in security, laboratory, administrative work.
They are talking about 100 jobs. We recently lost Electromark. We're losing hell of a good. We lost the prison. This is going to give a huge boost to our community, the morale, economically.
It's very positive for us, for our community, that the Marshall family has taken on this project and has chosen Wolcott, one of their hometown areas.
New York State will impose an excise tax of 7% on all producers, on all companies licensed in New York State. 22.5% of that tax goes back to the county where the production occurs.
It's going to attract people to the community. It's going to be a good revenue source, not only for the town, having people come here that have good quality jobs and will be looking for places to live and shop.
Seeing a business who is already here, want to stay here, want to grow here is wonderful.
We're a proud company. We're proud of what we do. We want our employees to feel the same, and radiate that back out into the community.
We want to add scientific evidence and potentially open it up to other areas of treatment that New York State hasn't originally covered.
I think it would be important for people to really become knowledgeable of the cutting-edge information that we do have about this plant. Its implications in the field of medicine are absolutely monumental.
We would like to be a voice of guidance, a voice of experience.
I envision our company being able to grow as the market grows, and also being on the leading edge of pursuing research and development to develop new medicines for people, and helping to fund research to see in other ways that we can help people's lives.